The UK is definitely ready for smart homes. Smart home systems have been around for quite a while in the UK now, but they have been very complicated. This means you also needed a very specialist installer for that. That made it very costly. What we need to do is lowering the barriers for the installers to access the smart home market. He can help then the end user who's already asking for it to have their smart homes. So yes, we're definitely ready for smart home systems in the UK. There are obviously barriers. Mainly the systems around at the moment are very complex, which makes it very hard and long to train people on. And the time investment is a big investment for the installer. So what we need to do is we need to make systems more easier to learn and to program, so that lowers the time needed for installers to do the training. In addition to that, the cost of a system at the moment are quite high. What we need to do is we need to lower the cost for the systems in the market so it's easier accessible for the end user. The complicated systems are not necessarily better. We need to make sure we give the customer a system which is fit for purpose. The end user does know already what he wants to achieve, whether that's going to be switching, dimming, scene control. Definitely heating control is desired by the end user. And we need to make sure we give him a system which is really giving him what he's asking for and not things which he's not asking for. So this is really where we have to put our focus on to make sure he's getting what he's desired. There definitely is a difference to a conventional installation when you install a smart home system. The main thing is we need to keep the planning really simple for the installer. If a system is easy to plan, then it's equally simple to install, and this is really what we have to focus on. But more importantly, the electrician becomes now a programmer. So we need to take away the fear of the installer to commission a smart home system. So keeping things easy to learn and a system easy to operate is quite an important thing. Oh, definitely customers are really ready for smart home systems today. You hear a lot about Internet of Things and nobody really knows what is behind that word. Ultimately, the customer wants to be in charge of his house. He wants to be in control of his lighting system. He would like to switch and dim lights whenever needed. He likes to be in charge of his heating, or maybe even taking a doorbell call while he's in the garden. These are the customer's aspirations, and we need to fulfill these aspirations today. Our control is very important when it comes to a smart home, and it's all about apps. We're all using today already our smartphones and tablets in our daily life. We need to incorporate the control of the smart home into our smart devices today, and that's what we have to focus on, to using the app for the control of the smart house. Oh, naturally, an intelligent system is more expensive than a conventional one. First of all, we have to understand how much is worth to the customer to have a secure house, a comfortable home, and how much does the energy saving pay off in the long run. By matching the customer's demands, we can tailor-make the system so we exclude the systems or things he doesn't want. So we can actually reduce the cost right from the outset. Oh, the growth anticipated is huge. The market is getting bigger and bigger, and we see in the next couple of years that almost every house will have some sort of intelligence installed. The electrician needs to take the opportunity now to get involved in the smart home market, and we as ABB will help them along the way to learn how the system is working, over the support along the journey. So my message is to the installers: get involved today and be part of the smart home development.